Alright, yeah, so I'm making something quick and simple, which is chicken and french fries, and these are the ingredients that I will be using. All the seasons were pre-prepped before making this meal. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So as you can see, I'm putting the mustard in here first. And I'm mixing that first before I put the seasonings in.
You'll be my leading lady. I wanna touch like in the meantime, just in the meantime, gotta be all down. I'm up, killers don't tell. Said I'm up, then we have to sell.
Now I'm gonna ahead and put the seasoning in and then mix that in with the mustard.
In the meantime, just in the meantime.
A few hours will feel like days. 10 days will feel like months. When come for you, like once.
This is what it looks like after I put all the seasonings and mix it together.
Just in the meantime.
Now I'm going to prep for the fried chicken. This is oil that was already used, so I'm using it to fry.
Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. Sit in the mirror, I got myself.
And this is me putting the plastic over it and putting it in the refrigerator and just letting the chicken marinate for at least like more than an hour. I think for me it was like 3 hours or so. Now I'm prepping the flour so that I can go ahead and fry the chicken. I used a lot of flour. I'm about to put the french fries in here, and I'm cooking these first so that they can be ready once the chicken is done. I was thinking about using the white pan that I used when I did the chicken and potatoes, but I just decided to use the aluminum foil. The oven was already hot, which is why you see me with this mitten on, because I didn't want to burn my hands. So I already have the oven prepped for 350. It was really supposed to be 450, but I ended up putting it on 350. is me taking the chicken out of the refrigerator to go ahead and cook it. And I put the flour, like a little bit of flour in the pot to make sure that the grease is hot. This is me putting all of the chicken in one bag versus one by one to flour the chicken and put it in the pot of grease. And the thing that I hate about me flouring the chicken is I didn't realize, because I checked the bag before I actually was about to put the chicken in the flour, but I didn't realize there was a hole in the bag until while I was filming this. I was mad because I don't like a whole mess. Now I am frying the chicken. How you know your chicken is done? When it's floating in the grease. I was really trying to get all the little pieces of chicken in there because I did not want to do a second set of chicken, but I ended up having to do that anyway. So yeah, I'll be trying to make it easier for myself, but and this is me literally using a wooden spoon to space it out so that I could try to get as much chicken in there as possible. The first set of the chicken was done, so I'm taking them out and putting them in the white pan that I told you guys about. I put it in aluminum foil because that way it keeps the grease from getting onto the pan and it keeps the pan clean. So I won't really have to do much cleaning. I did wash it after, but yeah, it avoids the
I just wanna be my friend. I just wanna I know I can't wait.
Now I'm putting the last two pieces of chicken into the grease. So now since the last two pieces have finished cooking, I'm just going to go ahead and put them into the pan. I wanted to make sure that they were actually done first before I did that. I think at this point the fries were still cooking, so I just let them cook, and by this point everything was done. So French fries, I'm a person that loves French fries, so I would get a lot of French fries. When it comes to like wingettes or anything like that, I typically eat like 3 or 4. So this is what it looks like when it's done, and this is me putting ketchup on my French fries. I didn't know if I wanted it out to the side, but I eventually ended up just putting it all over my French fries.